On this video, we're going to go over how to replace the ink on a Dell HP 3600 series printer. To do this, you're going to need ink from the Dell HP 63 style. So here we've got a tricolor cartridge as well as a plain black. So to do this, all you need to do, press power onto your printer. And as it boots up, you can open the front door. And in here, you'll see that's the indication for what type of ink your printer needs. So just flip open that door. You'll notice on the inside, the printer cartridges are going to slide over and stop in the center. So I now have printer cartridges out of the packaging. You'll notice on the front, it's got this HP tab. That tab we're actually going to pull down on, and that is what's going to reveal the little ink transfer port on it. So let's go ahead and go into here, and you can actually just push down on the ink. It'll pop right out. Make sure you put the black where the black goes. So the 63, new 63 version. The dots on the front talk to the printer, so those go towards the front. So you'll slide that right in. Once it's in, just press right up, just like that. Now we can do the same on the colored ink. So colored ink comes out. We've got that orange pull tab on the front. That you can pull right off. Again, those dots go forward. So into the printer, slide it in, and just press up. Once that's done, close the lid, close the other one, and you'll hear that it starts to initialize the new ink. So after it's initialized, you'll see that it's going to start printing out a test section. That's just ensuring that your installation of ink was done properly. And you're all set. So that's how you install new HP ink into your HP 3600 series printer.